Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use in-app browser for TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now, we will be needing to simply go to our web browser or app browser, which is in my case Chrome, and then we will be able to start going to TikTok, and from there you can be able to start using your TikTok. So I'm just going to type TikTok, and then we will be needing just to go to the in-app browser TikTok. By clicking here, we will be able to just click not now, and here we are going to be able to start using our TikTok in browser, and from here we will be able to do whatever you would like. You can log in and here let's just to go again to our Chrome browser, and here we will need just to use that. After that, we need just to simply start discovering. You can do whatever you like. So here you have the TikTok web browser. You will be able to start seeing all the songs, users. You can also start scrolling, and you can have many things that you can try. And by that, you will be able to start scrolling and searching for whatever you like. We can simply go back, and here we have all the TikToks that are showing. So let's just make sure to not click to any link so it does not redirect us to our TikTok app. And by that, you will be able to start using it into its full potential by searching for whatever you like. So here we are on the For You page, and it is already like detecting my account, and you will be able to log in into this TikTok and then add your account and use it however you are using your usual TikTok. Also, it has this discover page that would allow you to start discovering, as we said, like any other content, and you can start using it like that. So thank you for watching and see you next time.